Hey, so today we are out taking a look at a model home called the Webster by Mungo Homes. Now, Mungo is one of the biggest builders in the South Carolina Midlands. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Shaun Nichols. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty here in the South Carolina Midlands. So let's go take a look at it. Oh, and if you enjoy content like this, do me a favor and hit like on this video. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the Webster by Mungo Homes. This amazing home is being built in multiple communities throughout the Midlands and features an open floor plan with a huge kitchen and living area. It also has a large entry off the garage that features a walk-in pantry just outside of the kitchen. It also has a convenient guest bedroom and bathroom on the first floor. Upstairs are two secondary bedrooms with Jack and Jill bathrooms and a walk-in closet in each room. The primary bedroom is huge and features dual walk-in closets as well as access to a balcony for your morning coffee. The price ranges start in the low 300,000s, but feel free to reach out to me for more updated pricing as they're released. Hey, so what did you think of the Webster? Let me know in the comments below. Ooh, I just noticed I have cut myself shaving today apparently. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, what do you think of the Webster? I also put a link in the description that's gonna take you to a layout, a floor plan, because the upstairs bedrooms kind of was hard to get on video, the exact layout. So if you wanna see what the floor plan looks like, I put a link in the description below. I would love to leverage my relationship with these builders to help get you a great deal on a new construction home. So if that's something you're interested in, there's also a link below that you can click on and schedule a quick 10-15 minute call with me. No pressure, no sales pitch, nothing like that, just to talk about what your needs are for your family. Oh, and by the way, if you like this video, check out the playlist that's on screen now. It's a full playlist of all new construction walkthroughs. My name is Shaun Nichols with eXp Realty, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye for now.